Welcome to YahClick installation tutorial. This is Khalid Al-Naqbi, and it will be my pleasure to take you through the installation video. First, I would like you to watch the official YahClick commercial advertisement. I hope that you enjoyed the advertisement. Now we will look at the 3 YahClick installation chapters. All installers must register and complete the online program in addition to any previous VSAT experience. Our online learning portal will help and guide you through building a solid VSAT knowledge and provide techniques to install and commission a YahClick terminal. Passing the online exam is mandatory to be certified and ready for hands-on training. The exam will consist of true or false questions and multiple choice questions. The passing grade is 80% and above. Best of luck! The hands-on training will start with assembling the antenna parts, the reflector, feed, azimuth and elevation canisters, and radio. All these certified installers should be granted access to the installation portal, that is, to view the service orders and use the online validation tools. Both the service order number and the subscriber account number, also known as SAN, are to be entered to access the service order and print the IRS. IRS contains all the customer's information, terminal components, and installation sections to be filled. is very important to contact the customer to schedule an appointment and confirm the customer's exact location and coordinates. Fill all the details in the IRS for your reference. Access SLVT and enter the accurate coordinates, or use the map to locate customer's premises and click Submit. SLVT will validate the coordinates and confirm the following parameters: service availability, beam ID, antenna size, and radio power. Select one of the options and click Confirmation. Now, access the EDOMS to download the latest SPC file. Always make sure that you have the latest version. Now, power up the modem and upload the SPC file to confirm modem's readiness. SBC is the satellite-based commissioning file that has all the beam's parameters and is used for pointing and auto-commissioning. To install the YahClick terminal, every installer should have a standard toolkit. Now the installer will assemble a 98 cm single-IFL antenna parts. Make sure the tightening of bolts are secured and using the right washers. The installer must access the modems page, that is to start the commissioning by enabling the antenna pointing. Next, you need to access registration single page and enter the latitude and longitude. Select the correct beam. Note that the accurate latitude and longitude are required to ensure side ranges optimally with the satellite and the gateway. The same azimuth and elevation should be used to start pointing towards Y1B satellite. The signal power is shown as 15 at the starting point. The installer should consult the customer while searching for a suitable location to place the antenna. Points to be taken into considerations are line of sight, finding the best cabling route, the point of entry to the building, and finding the closest grounding point. At this instance, the installer will connect the DAPT between the modem and the ODU based on the label mentioned behind the DAPT. Once the DAPT is powered, the installer can start pointing. It is advisable to set the elevation angle as displayed in the modem page and start sweeping within the azimuth range. The elevation angle to be adjusted if no signal was received. Once the DAPT starts picking up the signal, the installer should carefully align the dish to achieve the highest signal level, also known as SQF. Note that the reading on the left indicates the highest signal captured, and the reading on the right is the live signal reception. When the installer is confident that the highest signal was captured, he should perform squinting steps. The squinter is used to fine-tune and peak signal by comparing the received value on each half of the feed horn, left and right, up and down. The process will ensure that the antenna is optimally pointed and centered. Passing the DAPT test is essential to proceed with commissioning. It could only be achieved if the antenna is peaked accurately. Please store the results at the end of the test. In case the highest signal achieved was below 48 SQF, the installer should refer to the installation and maintenance guidance available in EDOMS. It is advisable to keep an updated copy of the guidance at your disposal at all times. Going back to the modem page, the installer will be able to continue with the commissioning. The modem at this stage will start communicating with the gateway. The ranging process will determine the optimum timing and power for this VSAT. If the modem times out, then please try this attempt again. Wait for the encryption keys to be downloaded and authorization to be successful. Enter the SAN and PIN found on the IRS sheet and click Continue. Make sure the 3 letters are in the upper case. Wait for all the configuration parameters to be downloaded. Click Restart. Once all the LEDs are on, go back to the modem page and click on System Status. Observe the software download status. This might take up to several minutes to download and install the configuration files. The download is important to complete the commissioning of the modem. The modem will auto-reboot once all the files are downloaded. The system status icon will turn green, indicating that the modem is commissioned and that you are able to access the internet. Running OVT is essential after completing the installation, that is to ensure the performance of the terminal is up to standards. Log in the installation portal and access FSO page. Select the installed antenna and enter the cable length in meters, then click Proceed. If the diagnosis is green and OK, please click Sign Off button. Otherwise, the OVT will indicate that a problem has occurred and suggest a solution. For more details about the OVT, please refer to the installation and maintenance guidance document. Select the suitable options and click Sign Off. Before leaving, you show the customer how to access and use End User Portal. You need the SAN number and modem serial number to access the EUP. In this web page, the customer will be able to check his download allowance, available tokens, token usage history, and consumed amount of upload and download. Also, the customer can use YahSat Speed Test tool. EDOMS is the electronic database available through the installation portal. Installers can access the database 24/7 to learn and understand the YahClick related documents such as installation guidance, tool specs, and approved cables. Thank you for watching the YahClick tutorial.